Yeah, good morning. Uh, in fact, we stocked this fish as yesterday. Then we are going to feed them this morning. So before we feed them, we are going to test the water pH. Want to test the pH? I want you to observe something. We are going to test the pH before the feeding, and after the feeding, we'll test it again to see. And I always tell you the right pH range is 6.5 to 8.5 ppt. Now we have 6.9. This is 6.9. So it's 6.9. This is in good range. So now we feed them. So you feed them how we see. You use responsive feed method. Yeah, you see how active they are. Yes. So there are others so that they can all get it. Hmm. Yes. So this is a good sign that they are very active. They are very active. Yes. So this is the responsive feeding method. You give them and observe, so you can add. Observe how they take it. If they're active, they take it quickly and they want more, then you give them more. And that's always recommended. But if you just come and pour the feed and go, and they don't eat it, it spoils the water. That's increasing high ammonia, and that is bad practice because it can lead to low water quality and diseases, and even kill the fish. But you are giving them, you are observing how they are responding. That's the responsive feeding method. Those other side there, you can give them. Hey, they are many. Yes, and you even see them more when they grow. When they are so small like this, you don't see them more unless they grow. Oh, contain them. That's why you have extra pond to at least sort them into. Yes, the more they grow, the more they expand. Uh-huh. So as you can see, so they are eating. This is Lonto, right? Lonto. I'm not here pronounce it. Lonto, yeah, in the Pandai district. Yes. So those around here, they are okay. Uh, If those are up there, you can still give them little. And those up there too. So that's the responsive feeder, and also the broadcast method. Uh, we have not we have spot feeding and broadcast. Spot feeding is just giving it at a particular location where all of them come there. I don't usually recommend that to clients or to people because not all of them will get the feed. They eat fowl. Yeah, they eat. Hey, even they grow, they eat more. There will be a time that this cup they can take more than 10 of it at once. Yes. Oh, it's small. So I think for now, with the feed they're okay. The small many they will take it. So now, right, they have take 1 cup. Yes. No, this one. That is small one. They are eating the cup. They're really small. If you want to force them to take it, they will take it. Oh. Yes. So they have taken 1 cup. Okay. We can give the rest to them. Yeah, you see hey, yeah, you're also eating. So they have taken 1 cup, and that is marvelous. Mostly when you stock them for the following day, most often they are not this active. And that's why I always like using river water. Yes, or dam water. Yes, it's always good. The borehole, yes, it depends. The borehole is also good, but if the borehole water is hard or it has salt, then it will affect them. But if it is also normal, that's fine too. Uh-huh. I wanted them to finish eating before. I'm testing the water again after they have eaten, even though they're still eating. So we have 6.94. after they have eaten. It was 6.90, right? So now 6.94 after they have taken. So it means the temperature, the water parameter shoot up, or the pH shoot up small. Now how it is, so because of the feet, or they just run around the water. So that's why you always feed them morning and evening. For afternoon, when the sun is hot, it's not ideal to feed them at that time. So I think that's fine. So thank you so much.
So this machine, we are going to test it every day, or is your
No, uh, it's my thing. So it's total optional. It's total optional. Testing the water. If you have the test kit and you always test it, it's good. But most often, even myself, not all the time that I use it. I will use it when I'm installing new farm like this. Most I will observe the behavior of the fish. And this one is even new one. I just opened it yesterday here when I came here. I just ordered online. It just came the day before yesterday, and I brought it here. So if you have it, fine. But it's not always the case that you should test the water. But if you have it and you are
because we
testing,
have to
it's fine.
get some.
Yeah, if you are,
Because when we are about to separate them,
yes. So
we must
yeah.
use.
So if you have it every day or every week, once a week, it's always fine to test to know. So like even if you have this, no, I'll show you the signs to look up to when before you change the water, when the fish are suffocating or the water. Even if you have this and you test it, you can tell whether you should change the water or not. It's good, but it's not compulsory.
So when the water is about to, for us to change it,
Yeah.
when we test it, we're supposed to get which number?
I told you the pH range is 6.5 to 8.5.
So when
That's the
it's
normal.
more than
So if it's above that,
that means the water is not good.
it's not good. Or if it's below that, if it is below 6.5, the water is not good. If it's above 8.5, the water is not good. Then you change it. Anyway, if you want, we can order some online. Or probably I'll give this one back to you and I'll order another one. So later, if you want, you can order. Yeah, so thank you.
Okay.